목소리, 목소리. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word SORI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 291. SORI. SORI. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is so, and the second syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. SORI. SORI. The word SORI is the Korean term for sound. Again, SORI is the Korean term for sound. How do you write SORI in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable so, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an o character. For the second syllable ri, we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character. So that's so, ri. That's it for the two syllables. And to be able to write the Hangul for the word SORI itself, you just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. Now, let's just add more details to this word. So if you're familiar with the word 목소리, it actually means voice in Korean. And as you can see, the SORI part is our word for today, which means sound. And we just added 목, which means neck. So 목소리 is neck sound or voice. And with that, you've just learned SORI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 281 to 290. But don't forget our word for today, word number 291, SORI, which means sound. The first word for our review is word number 290, Mianhae, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is Joesonghamnida, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is Chingu, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is bada, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sangson, which means fish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. And the last word for our review is word number 281, 돕다, which means to help. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.